Hey Facebook, this is Courtney again, back out here in Decula, Georgia. This is one of my repeat clients. They have moved to a new location. I'm just here doing the upholstery and also the rug. I'm going to tell you a situation about the rug. My customer just notified me, which is great. I love when my customers and my clients give me the background of their particular material, rugs, carpets, upholstery, and let me know what's been done to it in the past. Jason told me that he's been cleaning this rug with a rug doctor and he just can't get the smell out. And the reason why I explained to Jason is that he's basically just putting detergent on top of odor, and it's not really doing anything because it has to be properly rinsed out. And that's one of the worst things you can do, is put detergent on top of any kind of bacteria, odor, because it's not going to do nothing. Most of the time it'll probably make the smell worse. So what I'm going to do in this situation, since Jason already has detergent in the rug, I'm not going to treat it. I'm just going to rinse it. I'm going to use an acidic rinse and just rinse all that detergent out. And it's going to make the rug not only cleaner, but it's also going to improve the odor. And if there's any odor left, then I will apply an odor treatment to it. So just show you guys what I got going today. It's a beautiful day out here. This is actually a fairly new subdivision. And you can see how it's kind of dirty. So just watch and see when I come back, and you'll see how clean this rug come out, and show you what I'm doing in here. So now, did I clean this last time? I did? Okay. So this, and then the two recliners. And Jason, when did you clean that rug? You said you cleaned it a few times?
Yeah, probably 4 times.
4 times? Okay. All right. So I'll just explain it to Facebook while I'm going to do a certain procedure on it, just to get all the detergent out.
Good deal.
Yes, sir. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and clean it, rinse it. I'm just going to, like I said, use an acidic rinse, and then we're going to come back and show you guys how clean it's going to come just by rinsing it, because again, he has all the detergent in it, and there's no need for me to put more detergent on top of it, or more solution on top of it. We got to get what's out of the fibers already, and 9 out of 10 when we do that, it'll come a whole lot cleaner and also smell better. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so I'm cleaning the rug. I just got through cleaning all the upholstery, as you can see. So got all the upholstery clean, nice and clean. All right. So to show you guys the rug, you might not be able to see it on camera, but I can definitely see an improvement as I'm cleaning. If you look at my wand, the window, you can see all that soap residue coming out. So this is why I did not put more treatment on it, because there's treatment already in the carpet. And if you do not rinse that solution out or get it out, it's going to stay there, and it's actually going to attract more soil. See all that soap coming out? It's a lot of soap in this carpet. Matter of fact, look right here. You see that? See that right there? See the difference? Right here and right there. Yep. All right, guys, go ahead and finish up here. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.